see how it's been doing since we closed down for rifle season. It's been kind of a brutal winter here in north central West Virginia, and this is really the first weekend where we could get out, where the conditions have been good, the roads have been cleared, and we can get up in here. So Pepper, she's been dying to get up and do some running, so we're going to head that way. And this is more or less just kind of a check-in, let you guys know what's been going on. And I got a new camera for Christmas, so I am kind of testing it out and seeing how it's doing, and if it's one I'm going to utilize this year. But yeah, so come on with me. We're heading to hunting camp, and Dad's on his way up too, and see what's going on. Come on. Come on. So we'll put it where we usually put it, and then down there?
Yeah, I'll put my truck up there and mine.
Okay.
And you can take them too.
Well, we'll put a trophy block down here too.
Well, how many you got?
Come on. Back. Three down here. There were 3 down toms and there are 3 here.
Oh, yeah, I was sure down toms up here.
Okay. So I brought up some stuff for some spring work. I'm gonna move a lot of couches out and put some, bought Dad a new bed. We'll put in 2 beds because everybody sleeps kind of in the living area now. So again, we're going to use the back 2 rooms as storage, and make some nice sleeping arrangements in the living area, because everybody likes to stay close to the wood burner. So, all right, got Pepper here. We're just going to take a walk and check on some things. I didn't bring my side by side, but I want to run her a little bit, get her walking. So maybe walk around and find a shed or 2. That'd be cool. All right, platform is still up, looking good. That's awesome. Man, there's some big tracks in here. I think that big 7 that we let go with the messed up rack. A lot of y'all are giving me some grief on that one, passing that one up, but if he's like that again this year, if we get a chance, we'll hammer him down. Yeah, this looks good. All right, I'll check my feed barrel down there. Said pretty good sized tracks in here. Still working this pretty. That's only 10 yards from my blind there, so I'm still utilizing this pretty good. Well guys, thanks for coming along with me. Like I said, nothing too exciting, just checking camp, trying out this new camera. Me and Dad put a little bit of feed out, and just checking the roads, checking the camp. Like I said, it's been a brutal winter so far, and just good to get away for a little bit, get up to camp, check on everything. So got a lot of projects that are going to be going on this spring, so I'll see you guys as soon as I can get back to you. So, as always guys, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.